In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link issues in Jira with a step-by-step tutorial for efficient project management. If you're managing projects in Jira, understanding how to effectively link issues can significantly enhance your workflow, allowing you to track dependencies and related tasks with ease. Let's get started by navigating to your Jira homepage. Here is where it all begins and sets the stage for organizing your project tasks. Make sure you're logged in and ready to proceed. Next, find your way over to the Projects tab, located conveniently on the left-hand menu. This is where you can see all your projects listed. Click on the name of the project you wish to work with. This step is crucial as selecting the right project at this stage ensures you're working within the correct context. Once you're in the project, you have the option to view either the board or the backlog. The board offers a dynamic view of the tasks, allowing you to visualize your workflow, whereas the backlog presents a more linear list of tasks that have been planned. Pick the view that is most suitable for your needs. Now let's move on to identifying the specific issue that you want to link from. Open its issue view by clicking on it. This detailed view provides all the information about the task, including its current status, assignee, and all associated notes or comments. To start linking, look for the Add option, usually represented by a plus sign or a button, and click on it. Here you'll find the option to select Linked Issue. This action is pivotal as it guides you into the next steps of establishing connections between tasks. Below on your screen, a Linked Issues section will appear. This is where you can define what kind of link you want to create. Select from the available types of links in the drop-down menu. You can establish relationships like blocks, is blocked by, or relates to. Choosing the right link type is important as it defines the nature of the relationship between tasks, making it clearer for you and your team. Now search for the issue you want to link to by typing in its identifier or title in the search bar right next to the drop-down. This intuitive search feature lets you find the right issues quickly and efficiently. Not just limited to one, you have the flexibility to select multiple issues if necessary, broadening the scope of your linkages. Once you've selected the desired issues to link, finalize your setup by clicking on Link. And there you have it. The issues are now linked, creating a seamless flow of information and dependencies. This method of linking issues in Jira can transform how you manage tasks, making your project overview clearer and more actionable. By following these steps, you can harness the full potential of Jira's project management capabilities. Thank you for tuning in, and happy project managing.